And the first step, we will create the table for the portfolio chart. We've got 5 products, then we have scoring points from 1 until 5. 1 is the lowest value and 5 is the highest value. In this case, we can use the value 3 as an average, like here. Then we've got the gross margin, actual and budget, and the deviation. And in this case, at the value 0, it will cross like here. So let's start with the first formula for the bubbles in the left field. So it's if and, then G5 smaller than 0, so we've got this case here at the horizontal line, and then next is D5 smaller than 3 points, so 3 is the average value. Then we will take the value of the cell D5. If not, we will take n slash and a. So, and in this case, n slash a will be shown, because if we would use a 0, a bubble would be shown. Something like here, if you use 0, and here you can see the rest of the bubble with 0. And if you will take n slash a, no bubble will shown in the chart. Then we will copy it right down. And we see here we've got product 4, because the deviation between the cross margin of actual and the budget is -15, so it's here. And then we've got scoring points of 2, and it's lower than 3, so product 4 is here. Then we will create the formula for the top left, so that's here. And we will start with if and G5 smaller than 0, and then D5 is bigger, equal 3. Then we will use the value of cell D5, and if not, we will use n slash a. And we copy it down. So, and here we have the value from product 3 with 3.5, because the deviation between the actual and budget is smaller than 0 but higher than 3, and this is for the product 3. Next formula for the bottom right, for the cash cows, that is if and, then G5 is bigger than 0 and D5 smaller than 3. We will use the value of cell D5, and if not, we will take n slash a and copy it down. And we see product 2 as a value, because product 2 has a positive deviation between the actual and budget and is higher than 3 points. And the last one for the top right, here for the stars, that's the formula if and G5 bigger than 0 and D5 bigger equal 3. Then we will use the value from D5. If not, then n slash a. And you see we have a value here for product 1, because we have a positive deviation and we have scoring points higher than 3. We'll copy it right down. And here at product 5 we have a value because the deviation between the actual and budget is bigger than 0 and the scoring point is bigger than 3. So that's the table for the portfolio chart.